Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. Now this one's going to be a really short one, and I'm going to be introducing my new project. This is going to be Totally Unreal Live. So we're going to be streaming every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at around about 8 o'clock in the evening, that's UK time. And I'll be accompanying you through the live stream like this. Hello, so we have webcam now, that's pretty cool. So we can slide this up there. I'm just getting used to the hang of OBS transition. So this should hopefully help to make it a little bit more personal, to allow you to interact with me and ask questions. So I'm going to be, in these live streams, I'm going to be creating various different systems. So as you've seen from the first two live streams I've done, I've made the gun system, so the basic gun system. It didn't go according to plan, but it's cool and it works. We can always make another one. I would like to perhaps at some point use the Monday, Wednesday and Friday slots to do a game jam. So if I say I'm going to give myself 6 hours, but break it down to 3 2-hour live streams and see what we can put together in just 6 hours. I would like to do Q&A sessions as well, so we'll take in questions from you, the viewers, through the YouTube chat, and we'll actually we'll take that and we'll create small portions of code based on the questions you're asking. So if you're asking me how I might search through all of the characters on the screen and do X, Y, and Z, then what we'll do is we'll sit down and we'll try and make that little bit of code there for you so you can see how that might be done. So yeah, this is just a really quick video introducing Totally Unreal Live. I hope this all goes to plan. Our first live stream will be on Friday the 20th of April. I'm on holiday before then, so Friday the 20th of April, that's going to give me time to get everything, all my equipment set up, and hopefully we'll have a smooth first day and smooth live streams from then on. So I hope you're as excited about this as I am. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the first live stream.